Welcome to part 6 of my theme titled The Pastor Edwards US $25 billion Ecotourism Program, attracting an extra 10 million visitors to Jamaica each year and employing 300,000 Jamaicans, earning an extra US $10 billion each year for the country's GDP. Greetings. Today's topic is, will Jamaica start earning an extra US $10 billion every year through its tourism industry? Subjects for today's topical discussions are 1. Figures for the US 10 billion extra earnings each year, and 2. The 300,000 Jamaicans that will provide the wealth for Jamaica. And 3, why Jamaica is having problems with labor shortages. And 4, and final, the effects of disengaged youths in Jamaica. Now, the average spend for one visitor to Jamaica is just over US $1,000 per person. That's why we currently have just over 4 million visitors and just over US $4 billion in earnings. Hence, an extra 10 million visitors will bring in an extra US $10 billion each year to the Jamaican economy. At this point, Jamaica should not bother about how much each visitor is spending. The main focus should be about getting more visitors in the country so as to create more employment for Jamaicans. The average visitor spend has gone up by about 20% over the past 3 years. The tourism minister and the government on a whole, with their elitism attitudes, love to boast about this increase in spending by the visitors. But they are making a very big mistake. The Jamaican tourism industry visitor numbers was growing rapidly up until 2017. Then it began to fall after 2017 by just under 1% per year. Now we are 5% below our 2017 visitor numbers. One of the reasons for the decline in numbers is this drive for high-end tourism by the current tourism minister. Other countries such as Barbados, the Bahamas, and especially the Dominican Republic has copied the Jamaica tourism model and has been doing very well since 2017. While Jamaica is trying to move away from the Jamaican model and is losing market shares to the other Caribbean countries who has copied the Jamaican model. The other countries are growing fast using the Jamaican model, which is all-inclusive, large hotels, lots of visitors, all that stuff. While Jamaica is falling behind. What Jamaica needs to do now is to go back to the Jamaican tourism model in a massive way. As they say in the USA, stock them high and sell them cheap. Let's build those large all-inclusive hotels all around Jamaica and develop the country. Let us put all the idle hands to work in Jamaica and build a better future for all Jamaicans. When one takes a look at the unemployed who are earning nothing at the moment, in Jamaica. Then the hustlers and the street vendors who are not in any formal employment, some of whom are only earning probably half of the official minimum wage each week. It would be better if we have these people in permanent full-time employment, earning the national minimum wage, which is where most of the all-inclusive hotels jobs are. It will also be a bigger advancement for Jamaica, and it would add more to the country's GDP to bring 300,000 people out of unemployment and put them into a minimum wage job, rather than trying to bring 100,000 people who are already in work and earning minimum wage to try and get them to earn 25% or 50% or 75% above minimum wage. You know, I have seen too many people in Jamaica trying so hard with various types of hustling, trying to scratch out a living for themselves and their families. The government needs to get a grasp with the current opportunity that lies in the tourism industry and start to rapidly increase the Jamaican economy. Now, I have run out of time. This is part 6, so I will leave the rest for part 7, where I will go into why there are shortages of labor in Jamaica and the disadvantage with the disengaged youths in Jamaica as well. So look out for part 7. Now, thanks for watching this video. To support this channel, please click on the subscribe button, share this video, and leave your comments below. God bless you, God bless the Jamaican Parliament, and God bless Jamaica. Until my next video, peace.